Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Chrissy. So today's video is about egg mask. As we all know, eggs are great for deep cleansing, and the protein is good for firming up your skin. It also shrink or tighten your pores. I remember back home when somebody wanted to get married, they would do a egg mask for a month or two before the big day. This shows how effective the egg mask is. So if you have a problem with your skin, please continue watching. So I went ahead and separated the white from the egg yolk, and I'm also going to be using a tissue and a brush. So I'll be focusing on my T-zone because that's where my problem is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the egg white. I'm going to take a tissue . So I went ahead and finished my face off camera. So this is how I look, guys. I'm just gonna wait for 20-30 minutes and then I'll show you how you can remove them. So guys, I'm back. My skin is very tight. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the mask. See? This mask is very good because it also removes hair. If you have facial hair, guys, see the difference? Oh my god, I love this mask. See the difference, guys? See how clear it is, guys. It really works. So this is the final look, guys. Look at my I'm just gonna go and wash the rest of my face and I'll show you how this is good, guys. It feels so soft, guys. So guys, this is the final look. As you can see, I really like the way my skin looks right now, and it really feels so soft and I am happy. So please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. and press the notification button. One more thing, guys, if you know how I can get rid of my dark hyperpigmentation, please comment down below, guys, and I'll try the whatever that can make this go away. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.